Hi guys, in this video we are gonna solve the Amazon online assessment questions. Okay, today we are gonna solve the problem number 1, Amazon Fresh promotions. So before going to the problem, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe for more videos and notifications. So coming to the problem, Amazon Fresh is running a promotion in which customers receive prizes for purchasing a secret combination of fruits. The combination will change each day. Okay, and the team running the promotion want to use a code list. So they want to use a code list to make it easy to change the combination. The code list contains group of fruits. Both the order of the group within the code list and the order of the fruits within the groups matters. So this is important. Okay. So however, between the group of fruits, any type of fruit is allowed. The term anything is used to allow for any type of fruits to appear. In this location within the group, consider the following secret code list. So in the secret code list, they are taking first list as apple, and the second list as banana, anything banana. Okay. Based on the above secret list, a customer who made either of the following purchases would win the prize. So now they are giving a shopping cart list. So in that, the first person buyed orange, apple, banana, and oranges, banana. Okay. So when we check with the code list, apple is there. So here apple is there. Okay. Next, banana, anything banana is there. Here banana, orange, banana is there. So when the term anything will come, it can be any fruit. So here banana is coming, and anything, that means orange is coming, banana is coming. Okay. So coming to the second case, here it's taking apple, orange, banana, apple, banana. So here also apple is coming here. So it's followed this. And next it's orange. So it's not relevant. Orange, it's not relevant. Now then it's banana, apple, banana. Okay. So which is equals to our code list. And one main thing we have to say is it's following the code list order also. Okay. So but the order of the groups within the code list and order of the fruits within the group matters. So this is important. So here first apple should come, next banana, anything banana. The pattern should follow the order. So we have to write an algorithm now to find out whether the given code list and shopping cart is promoted or not. Okay. So here now input. The input to the function method consists of two arguments. One is a code list, another is a shopping cart. Okay. So what they are telling code list? Code list is a lists of string representing the order and grouping of the specific fruits that must be purchased in order to win the prize of the day. Shopping cart is a list of strings presented in the order in which a customer purchases fruits. Okay. So what is the output we have to return? We have to return an integer 1 if the customer is a winner, else return 0. Okay. So they give a note, we will check what is the note, which is important. Anything in the code list represents that any fruit can be order in place or anything in the group. Anything has to be something. It cannot be nothing. Okay. So it should be any one of the fruit. It cannot be nothing. Anything must represent one and only one fruit. Okay. If secret code list is empty, then it is assumed that customer is the winner. So if there is no secret code, then every customer is a winner. Okay. So now we will take a image and we will consider the examples, these examples. Okay. Okay. So now I taken here 3 examples for our easy understanding. So here our code list is apple, banana, anything banana, which is our first example. And the shopping cart is orange, apple, banana, orange, banana. Okay. So what we will do? So here our idea is to iterate the code list. Okay. We will iterate the code list and we will check with the shopping cart. If the both the items are equal, boom, that is the match. So what we will check? We will check first, iterate the first one, and we will take k as this. This is one list and we will iterate again this list. So with that list, first one is apple, and with that shopping cart will check orange, which is not a match. Now we will increment the shopping cart, then we will check with the coding list apple, apple. So which is a match. Now we will increment this, we will increment this. Okay. Now it is apple, apple. So this is also match. Again we will increment this. So now our list is completed. Now we will increment this to this. Okay. Now our code list is having an item banana. Our shopping cart is also having a banana. So which is right. Anything, that means any fruit will come, not nothing, anything. So here orange come, which is also right. Now banana, 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 boom. So now everything is maintaining our core list, so he is a winner. Okay, now we will take example 2. Here our code list is apple, apple, banana, anything banana, and our shopping cart is banana, orange, banana, apple, apple. Okay, so in the same way, what we approach above example, same approach we will go it here. So first we will loop the whole code list. Inside that again we will loop the whole list. Okay, so now we will take the apple and we will check with banana, which is wrong. So now we'll check with apple to orange. That is also wrong. Now we'll check apple to banana. That is also wrong. Now we will check with apple to apple, which is right. Okay. Now we will increment this. We will check this apple to this. Okay, which is right. But before going to next, we will check whether our shopping cart list having an items. Okay. So here no items are there, but still our code list is not completed. This list is not completed. So what is happening? He is not a winner. So now we will go for another example 3. So here our code list is apple, apple, banana, anything banana, and our shopping cart is apple, banana, orange, banana. Okay. So again we will use the same approach. We will list whole list, code list, and then we will again iterate the one of the list. Okay. So now we will take apple here. That we'll check with apple. So which is match. Now we will increment this, and we will increment this. This is apple, and this is banana, so which is not a match. So what we will do, we will again come to here and we will check with this, which is now apple, apple, and which is a match. Now again we will go to here, apple, banana, which is not a match. So again we will go to here and we will be here only. Okay, so again we will check with apple, orange, which is not a match. So we will increment this apple, banana, which is not a match, and we will come here. So our shopping cart is empty and which is not following our code list. So this is also not a winner. So only one winner is example 1. Okay, so now we will go to this. So now we will go to take our sample code lists and with the shopping carts, and we will make a function check. Okay, so that we will check whether the given code list and shopping cart is a winner or not. Okay, so we'll check with everything. Okay, with the input as a code list, comma, shopping cart. So in the same way, sorry, we will do for all the remaining 3. Okay, so this is code list 2, shopping cart 2, this is code list 3, shopping cart 3, this is code list 4, shopping cart 4. Okay, so now we have to write a function check to validate these things. Okay, so what it will be do, we will write a function which will return whether it's a winner or not, that means 1 or 0. Okay, for that we will take the inputs as string, array, list, for list, and then string array, which is our shopping cart. Okay, so now we will check our corner cases. Okay, so what are the corner cases? The corner cases are, see, in our already question they already mentioned, if there is no if secret code list is empty, then you assume to be customer is winner. Okay, so that is one of our corner list. So if code list equals to null, code list dot one equals to zero, you have to return 1. Okay, in the same way we will check the shopping cart. So what will happen if shopping cart is empty? He is not a winner, right? That means he's not done any shopping at all. So shopping cart equals to null, or shopping cart dot length. That means he's not done anything. We have to return 0. Okay. So these two are the common cases present in this. Okay. Now we will take a two variables to maintain the, one is for code list, another one is for shopping cart. Okay, so sorry for this. Now what we will do, according to approach, we have to iterate first our code list, right? So for this we will iterate the code list, so we can use for loop or while loop. So better we will go with while loop, so that we will have a conditions for everything. We can use for loop also, no issues there. So we will check condition like I dot code list of length should be less than, that means our code list dot length should be, our I should be less than code list. Okay, and I plus, okay, dot length should be less than equals to shopping cart dot length. Okay, so what is this condition? This condition is, see, whenever we will check with a code list with our shopping cart, for suppose it is having 10 items but our shopping cart is having only 5, so that anyway that match will be failed. So that is the condition here, we matched it. Okay, so next, first we'll take code list as empty one, shopping list empty one, so which is equal. So we'll take boolean match equals to true, that means which is a match. Okay, now we will iterate our list. So for everything we will get one list for code list. In that one list we will take, for suppose here there are two lists in our code list. Okay, so first we will iterate the first one. Okay, so after that code list of I dot length k plus plus. So we will iterate each and every item in our list, then we will check with a shopping cart. Okay, so what we have to check, we have to check whether the item in the shopping cart equals to anything. If it is anything, anyway, we can skip it. Okay, and shopping cart plus k, that means first item it will check for first shopping cart item, next it will do. So j plus I, that means if already here and that is match, then we will go for here, that means j plus k, 0 1. Okay, it should equals to our core list item. I of k. Okay, so if both should be equal, if it is not equal, the conditions where I kept it. Okay, this is not equal, so these conditions, what is that is, it is not a match, so we'll make our match to false and we will break the loop. Okay, so once it is completed, that means whole list, one of the list in our code list is iterated everything. So after that iterated, we will check whether it is a match or not. That means completely the code list is there or not. If the code list is not there, okay, then we will go for else condition and we will iterate the shopping cart. That means, so first one we will check apple, apple is there, so here banana is there, which is not a match. So what we will check next, we will go iterate this to orange, then we'll check with apple to orange. Okay, so same thing I done it here. Now j is for, we are using j for shopping cart list, so we will iterate the j plus plus. Okay, so if it is a match, this is one of the condition. If it is a match, what we will do, we have to increment the shopping cart to the length of the code list. That means our code list completely matched with a shopping cart of specific length, so we will iterate the whole thing. Okay, then we will iterate the code list to next one. Okay, so once this is completed, what we have to do, we have iterated the whole thing and we have iterated the list also. So once everything is completed, our code list should be come completely. That means if everything is there, that is apple is there, apple is there, apple, banana, anything. So it can be the match, banana. So after completing everything, if the code list at the end, that means everything is matched. If not there at the end, that means something is not matched. So we'll send output by checking the length of the code list dot length. I should equals to code list dot length. If it is equal, that means everything is matched in our code list. If it is not, we will send return 0. Okay, here thing is match equals to false. Save it. Okay, so boom, we completed the algorithm. Okay, so we will test with this. We will test with our sample code list and we will check run as Java applications. Oh, somewhere is coming in array index out of the bound exception at Java line 88. That means it's coming here. Check one second what's the issue here. Yes, issue is we have incrementing the I, not the J. So it should be J. Okay. So we are checking this condition for the shopping cart, not for the code list. Boom. So in our example, only first one is winner, remaining everything is not a winner. Same thing, first one is winner, remaining 3 are not a winners. Completed guys. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and